Okay then, my wriggly wormy crew, how did you get on? Did you manage to write some of those I words for me? Did you manage to use that new trigraph? Well done if you did. And like I say, it's a tricky one, guys. A trigraph, 3 different letters to think about in that one sound. We will definitely be practicing that one again. Right, for our maths today, like always, we're going to get our brains nice and warmed up first, and then we'll have a look at our main job for today. Now, our starter today is going to be to look at some flashcards, and I'd love it if you could shout out what numeral, what number is written on the flashcard. Now, we're doing this because we're going to need our numerals and numbers today. Are you ready? What is this one? 0. Well done. And how many have we got if we've got 0? None. What is this one? 3. What is this one? 6. Well done. This one? 9. Good job. This one? 5. This one? 10. Excellent. This one? 4. Well done. This one? 7. This one? And number 2. This one? 8. Well done. And 1. Excellent, guys. Good. We are getting really good with our numerals, aren't we? Right. Next thing then, I'm going to stick my numerals up for me. And I want you to have a little look at how I put them up here and see if you can tell me what you think. So let me scooch it across so you can see. Can you see that one? Okay, so that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. How are we doing? That one. Let's come down underneath so you can still see them all. That one. Whoops, that one. That one. Oh. We lost number 2. That one. That one. And that one. Okay. So, there are all my numerals that we've just practiced. So I know that you know what they are when you read them. But are they in the right order? So we've got 3, 0, 6, 9, 5, 10, 4, 7, 2, 8, 1. Does that sound right? No, they're a bit jumbled up, aren't they, guys? Now, why do we have to have our numbers in the right order? Why couldn't we just have them in any old order like these ones are now? Well done. Our numbers go in a specific order to help us when we count, don't they? And they also go in that order because our numbers get 1 more each time when we're counting with them. So we can't have a 3 and then a 0 because 0 isn't 1 more than 3, is it? It's less than 3. It doesn't make sense. So when we want our numbers in order, we want them in the order we use them to count in, okay? So what's the first number that we use when we're counting? Sometimes we don't use this one when we're counting objects because we don't really tend to say, oh, well, we're starting with 0. But 0, if we've got a 0, 0 always goes first, doesn't it? Because it's the least we can have. If we've got 0, we've got nothing. So 0 goes first. What comes after 0? What's 1 more than 0? 1. Well done. So our number 1 comes next. Is it 6 after 1? No, let's take that down then. Let's move all of these out of the way so we can sort this out properly. Dear me. Got a right pickle, haven't I? What comes after number 1, guys? What's 1 more than 1? 2. Well done. What comes after number 2? 3. Is this a number 3? Brilliant. What comes after number 3? 4. Can you see number 4 on the board? Is it this one? Is it this one? It's this one. Number 4. What's coming after number 4, guys? Number 5. Well done. Stick in there. What comes after number 5? Number 6. Brilliant. Now, which one of these is our number 6, guys? This one? This one. Well done. And remember, we have to be a bit careful with these, because if we accidentally have them the wrong way round, they can look like the other number, can't they? A 6 can look like a 9, and a 9 can look like a 6 if they're upside down. What comes after number 6? 7. What comes after number 7? 8. Well done. What's coming after number 8? 9. Which one was a 9? Good job, guys. And the last one we're going to think about for today is 10. Now, do numbers stop at number 10? No, numbers can go on forever, can't they? We could keep counting forever if we wanted to. But the most common ones that we use while we're in reception and we're just learning about our numbers is the numbers up to 10. And those are the ones we're going to focus on today. Okay? Now, thank you very much for helping me to put these in the right order. Let's go through them and just check they sound right. We've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does that sound right? Brilliant. That's the order we use our numbers when we're counting, isn't it? And that's the order I want us to use our numbers in today. So, to make sure that you're ready for the next job, I would love it if you could go and do what we've just done. So the first thing you'd need to do is to get yourself some number cards, and if you've got the ones left from the teddy bear's picnic work all the way back at the start of lockdown, you could use those. If you haven't though, don't worry, you can make some really quickly, couldn't you, by just writing a number on a piece of card or on a post-it note. Write all your numbers down up to 10, and then I want you to muddle them all up, okay? And then get your grown-up to time you and see how quickly you can put your numbers back in the right order for me. How quickly do you think you can do it? And you need to make sure they're in the right order, okay? We want them to start at 0 or 1, depending on what number cards you make. And they want to go all the way up, getting one bigger each time, up to 10. So you've got the numbers that we would use for counting with, okay? How quickly can you do it? Once you've done your first go, have a look at your time, see how quick you were, and then maybe jumble them all up again and have another go and see if you can do it even faster the second time. And hey, once you've had a go, why doesn't your grown-up have a go? You time them, and then you be the teacher and you double check that they've got their numbers in the right order. So, job number 1 today, guys. Make yourself some number cards to 10, then see how quickly you can get them into the right order for me. Once you've had a few goes and you're feeling pretty confident with your numbers and the order they go in, come back, click on the next card, and I'll tell you how we're going to use those today.